All right. So you got your beacons page set up and you're wondering how to connect your Instagram account. Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account to your beacons page. Now, if you haven't started a beacons page or you're having trouble starting a beacons page, you can click on the link in the description of this video because I will link to the very first video that I created in the beacons page getting started series, which was the beacons page tutorial. So you're welcome to watch a series of videos on how to optimize your beacons page. My name is Tim Lekach, and no, I'm not a employee of beacons page. I just love the tool and I love the link in bio software. So I've chosen to, like always, share my screen here today just to help you connect your Instagram account. So by now, you probably have your beacons page set up. You have the links the way you want it set up. And if you haven't connected your links yet, don't worry, I will have a video on how to do that. I did go over it in a few of my previous videos, but I will dedicate a video specifically to that. So follow along till the end of this tutorial and I'll point you to the right direction. So here we are. So we're logged into our beacons page backend dashboard. This is where you're going to build your beacons page, okay? And you want to connect your social media accounts. So specifically for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account specifically. So you're here. As I talked about in a previous video, you have these tabs: My Page, Appearance, and Analytics. And I had mentioned that My Page is where you're going to spend a lot of your time. That's where you're going to spend the time building your page. And the appearance, that's how you're going to customize it to the way you want it to look. And then in Analytics, it's super important because as you build up your beacons page, it's a very good insight as to what people are clicking on. What is your audience interested in? And typically when you want to market, you want to market products and services to your audience that they actually like. So for example, if you had an affiliate link in your beacons page, and I'll go into that on a future video, but if you had an affiliate link on your beacons page and you found that your audience was clicking on it, but they weren't clicking on another link, then you may want to duplicate the link that they're clicking on, either by affiliating with another product that's very similar or whatever the case may be. So there's a lot of different marketing strategies when it comes to a link in bio. I know at the surface level, it looks like a tool that showcases everything you're involved in, all the products that you're projects, that you're involved with, and all the social media platforms that you have. But when you dive deep into a link in bio tool, it is just that. It's a tool. You can actually monetize this. You can use this tool to earn income from it, right? So that's what I'm about teaching you on this channel, is not only how to create a beacons page, but how to optimize it so that you can start earning income from your audience. Instead of having to post to a bunch of different places, you want one centralized location where people can visit. And so your job is to take those platforms that you're on and you want to drive traffic to your link in bio. So you want to point people there. You want to use some teasers in your marketing that makes people want to visit your link in bio. But I will get into that on future videos. And depending on when you're watching this, I may have already created those videos. So for the purpose of this video, I do want to show you how to create or how to attach your Instagram account to your beacons page. Okay, so I didn't mean to go off on a tangent, but I'm so excited about this tool. And I'm excited for what it's going to do for you. I'm excited how it helps creators, influencers, and entrepreneurs like yourself. And I'm really excited about it. So, all right. So you logged in here. So in My Page is where you're going to connect your Instagram. Okay. Now I have my Instagram account up already, but you certainly, if you know your handle, that's all you need. So in the header tab, so if you're not familiar with this yet, or maybe you are because you've already built it, but the header tab is where you're going to display on what your header looks like. It's where you're going to choose the shape of your profile picture. As I said in a previous video, I prefer to go with the circle because it's very congruent with other social media platforms, and so on and so forth. So where you connect this is if you scroll down to the bottom of the header tab specifically, and you might have already done this, you might have already been testing it out, but that's where you're going to see this. So they give you, so beacons gives you a bunch of different areas where you can actually connect to all of your other socials. But like I said, for the purpose of this, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram specifically. So you can do two things here. So one is you can take your handle on Instagram. Okay. So mine is at T4C Media. And then once I click out here, it puts it right in there, and that's it. So it's as simple as that. If you feel more comfortable, you can always copy and paste. So just to give you a little insight, T4C Media is my company's name. I run a social media management company, and T4C Media is the company's name. So T4C incidentally stands for time for change, because at the time that I needed to, I wanted to start a company, I wanted to get out of working 9 to 5. So I run my own social media management company full time. So I don't have a typical job. So that's what I can help others achieve on this channel as well. So, but anyway, getting back to it. So you want to connect that. So you can simply use your handle. And then once you use your handle, it connects it right away, right? And then when people visit it, they'll be taken to your Instagram where they can see how many followers you have, or if you need assistance, or if you want your followers to follow you on different platforms. Let's say if you had a really big TikTok audience, right? But you had a very lackluster Instagram following. Well, what you can do is via the link in your bio, via a Beacons page, you can actually, get some of your TikTok audience over to Instagram. Because let's face it, most people are present on a lot of different platforms. So in order to build that up organically, if you have a sizable audience on one platform over the other, having a link in bio tool, an effective link in bio tool, a very aesthetically pleasing link in bio tool, a link in bio tool like Beacons page will allow you to drive traffic, as we call it, drive traffic from your bigger account to your smaller account. And it could be vice versa. Maybe you have a huge Instagram following, but you want the people to follow you over to TikTok. I mean, it's a real organic way to leverage the audience you already have to kind of expand your audience. Because what happens is if your presence on one platform isn't as big as another, when you drive people over to the other one, it makes you more powerful on that platform. So let's say if you had 20,000 followers on TikTok and you had 1,000 on Instagram. Well, with a link in bio, you can actually pull the people from TikTok over to Instagram. And then when you post on Instagram, what will happen is that post will become more powerful, and it'll go into the algorithm, it'll get spread around more, and your account will start to organically grow. So that's why I'm a firm believer in this link in bio tool like Beacons page, because you can actually use it to build up your other audiences on different platforms. So it's as simple as that. Now, the other option, like I said earlier, is you can actually just copy the link. Now, when you bring up your Instagram page here, you'll notice that you have here, you just want to stop just behind the backslash, right? And then what you can do is you can actually put the link in there as well. The handle's okay, but you want to test it out. So you'll want to just make sure it works, right? Or what you can do is you can put the whole link in there. So, but the most common method is just putting your handle in there, right? So like mine there is at T4C Media, right? So T4C Media, and that's just it, right? So if you want to test that, so if you want to test out to see if it's working, you would just hit copy here, okay? And then what you would do is you open up another tab, and then you paste Control V, right? Everyone should know that. And then you click on that. And then once your Beacons page comes up, you can actually click on the Instagram symbol, and then you will be able to know if it works. And there it is. So mine actually works. So that is a real simplistic way to add your Instagram account to your Beacons page. Hopefully this video helped you. If you want to see how to set it up, how to optimize it, you certainly can click on the video in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, because I will be going deeper into not only Beacons page, but As this channel grows, I'm going to go into affiliate marketing, a way to optimize your link in bio to earn income, a way to brand yourself. I'm going to go into all of that. And I'm already, depending on when you watch this, may already have those videos that exist. So you're welcome to look around the channel and see if there's anything that I offer that will help you grow your brand or offer your products and services to the public. So again, hopefully that helped you. Again, my name is Tim Lekach, and thank you for joining me on this one if you made it to the end. And I will see you at the next one.